Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Scholarship Guide. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Jamshed Ahmed from Pakistan. Currently, I am pursuing my bachelor degree in University of Jambi as an international student, and my study program is Economic and Development. So, guys, today we are gonna meet with one of my international friend. His name is Yusuf Ajabi. So today we are gonna discuss about his experiences about Indonesian lifestyle, especially Jambi, about weather, about culture. He'll also provide you tips and tricks about interview because he already got experience from his interview. So let's have a nice conversation with Yusuf Ajabi. Could you introduce yourself?
Okay, guys, my name is Yusuf Jabi. I am from Gambia, and I'm one of the international students in UJA. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor degree in law in UJA.
Thank you so much, Yusuf Ajabi. Could you also share your experiences, tips, and tricks that you face? It will be beneficial for them during it.
Personally speaking, my tips and tricks will be regarding uh, food. Obviously, food is part of it. Weather condition, weather, and also personal documents, national documents, and the necessary documents. Yeah, they asked me about food, Indonesian food, whether I can cook with the food, whether I can adopt the food. I asked them, yeah, I can adopt the food, and they also asked me about the weather because Indonesia is pretty hot. So and I also told them I can adapt the weather because Gambia also we have quite similar weather. And they asked me about the passport, all the necessary documents. I also them I got all of them. Yeah. So I bet if someone who is applying for Unja scholarship, you need to have all the necessary documents, all the national documents, and of course the academic documents, so that everything will be easy for you. And also you can try to cope with the food and the environment. Yeah. So I think this some of my tips and tricks regarding Unja scholarship and somebody who is interested in studying in Unja. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Yusuf Ajabi. Could you also share your experiences about Indonesian lifestyle, especially in Jambi, also about weather, also about culture of Jambi? Then they can learn more from you.
Like I mentioned earlier, my life in Indonesia is pretty pretty good. I mean, pretty normal. Yeah, because I mingle with Indonesia, and obviously, I think this is well known about Indonesian. Indonesian are very welcoming people. They are kind-hearted people. So I think that's one of the credit I will give them. They are good people. So obviously, if you come to Indonesia, you will feel like you are living. You will not be disturbed. And like I mentioned earlier, the weather is pretty similar to my country because Gambia we don't have hot weather, neither very cold weather. So we have a fair weather. Yeah. Regarding culture, like I also mentioned about culture, culture in Indonesia here is very interesting because Indonesia is a diversified country, it's a pluralistic state. It contains many people, it's combination of many people, different religion and different people of different culture. So obviously if you come to Indonesia you will learn a lot from their culture, and also I believe you can also serve them from your side, your culture. Yeah. So I think this are the things, these are the answers I got for your question, my colleague.
Okay. All right, Yusuf. Thank you so much. I think this conversation will be informative for you guys, for my YouTube community. So we will meet in next video. See you guys. Assalamu alaikum.